So, it's what you call Hindi mein सच्चाई की जीत. That's exactly how I'll put it.
And I can see the Big Boss trophy right
Yes.
behind you.
Yes.
Okay. And now that you're out of Big Boss, firstly tell me what was the first thing that you did after coming out?
So first thing I did was पहले cell phone on किया, लेकिन because there was so much of information, मुझे थोड़ी सी confusion हुई. I was a little confused, and then I said no. I'm going to switch off my phone again. And मैंने एक दिन का break लिया. I wanted to see mountains. I wanted to see like trees and some sort of wilderness. So I went to one of my friend's farm for a day, and then I came back, and then I started adapting again to the outside world, because de-adaptation had happened.
Okay. And when the winning moment of Rubina came, you were of course right there present. What was going on in your mind when Salman was just going on teasing with both their hands?
So I was very anxious. उस वक्त it could have been like this way or this way, but I was very confident that it is going to be Rubina. She was the one who was there since day one. She stood her ground. She fought her battles. She was real. She didn't intentionally hurt anyone. She didn't create problem as such. So I knew for me it was her, and it was also her winning would have been a reply to all those people who tried to pull her down, say bad things to her. So that was a moment of victory, and I call it she earned it.
Definitely agreed. And what are your wedding plans? We hear that
we haven't yet gotten so much time to sit and discuss at length kya karna hai, but yeah, pretty soon I think we'll come out with a good idea.
Okay. And now we'll be, of course, taking some fan questions. The most asked question, which I think is coming every second question, is: are you going to Khatron Ke Khiladi?
I have no idea as of now. Seriously, I have no idea.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I am sure we would all love to see you there.
Thank you. That's awesome.
Yeah. And okay, so your Ritz asks that will you and Rubina ma'am be doing any music video together?
We will actually, yes, we will. We've been approached. We will. You will see us soon.
Okay. Okay, so Preeti here asks, what do you think about Jasmine now? I felt she betrayed Rubina and you since she voted against you.
See, I always say I don't know her because I actually don't know her. So it doesn't matter honestly now.
Okay. Okay, Payal Thakur asks, what are your upcoming projects?
Well, there are a few things. Yes, of course, like I said, you'll see us in a music video, and a nice music video, and you'll also see, few more things for sure, and few exciting things as well. And of course, I will be also work from behind the camera, and I'll create a few short films, and few series are in pipeline. Yes.
That's great. And okay, Kanishka Jain here says, missing Shukla ji ki shairiyan.
Okay. Yeah, so, yeah.
Okay, Kailash Nath Patnaik says, when are we going to see both of you together? Maybe in another reality show.
Well, that's not for me to decide as of now, because we just gotten very busy with things. But yeah, we would come back for sure together.
Okay, yeah, I'm sure we would all love to see that. And okay, so Regina here asks, why did you fight with Rubina for Jasmine in the BB house?
I did not fight, but yes, my opinion and Ruby's opinion often are at clash. About few people, we had different opinion. And if I have an opinion about someone, if I like someone, I'll of course, debate. So it wasn't a fight, it was, I think, a debate or maybe an argument. And it's okay. I mean, that's what happens in real life too.
Definitely. Okay, so a fan of yours called Lelia. She says, "Don't do a negative role, please. You are our hero."
You know, the good part about doing a negative role is that when you're a good person, I think you enjoy it. It's like,
Yeah.
oh, ऐसा भी होता है, ये भी कर सकते हैं. So as an actor, like, if you're true to the art of acting, I actually love doing negative roles. But yes,
Yeah.
like the fan said, I have to be careful.
Yeah, right now they are in the zone that you are a hero, so you just play that and carry that
Yeah.
image around. Okay, so Fatima here asks, did you watch your Big Boss episodes? How do you feel?
No, I haven't seen episodes. In fact, but I do see a lot of Instagram posts which you guys keep making. A lot of fans they keep making very creative Instagram posts, nice
Yeah.
edits. So I watch that. That's more interesting.
Yeah, definitely, I'm sure. Okay, and Yuvraj here asks, when Abhinav will come live with Rubina?
We will come live soon. We just she has different set of like interviews and work lined up. Mine is different, so we hardly like sit and talk at length, but we will soon, probably within a week's time.
Okay. Uh, okay, please. Okay, there is this page called Lawyers. So that page is asking, please, ma'am, tell him to tell Rubina not to do Nach Baliye.
Okay, I'll tell her.
Your fans are everywhere. They are telling you what to do, what not to do. That's adorable. And also, Abhinav, I really wanted to ask this to you. I had a chat with a lot of contestants of Big Boss 14, and during the rapid fire round, whenever I used to ask who's the most calm person, you were on the top of everyone's list. Everyone used to say Abhinav, Abhinav, Abhinav. So you tell me, did the house make you calm, or were you always this calm?
See, this is yes, interesting. I am calm in few things, but where aggression is required, I'm aggressive too. But I think what was happening inside the house was the kind of issues which people used to fight about were stupid for me. They were like, ये छोटी सी बात पे ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, इतनी झगड़े क्यों हो रहे हैं? So शुरू में तो मुझे लगता था ये हो क्या रहा है भाई, ये क्यों हो रहा है? Why are they fighting over इतनी छोटी मामूली सी चीज? So the only option was to stay calm और देखते रहो कि क्या हो रहा है. So that's why they call me calm. But yes, wherever there was strong difference of opinion, wherever I thought ki the other person is not right, my aggression was also visible. So matlab, I wasn't planning to be calm, but if I'm calm, that's what my personality is. Then.
Okay. And of course, that is true. And in a lot of episodes, Weekend Kawar episodes mainly, there were so many fans of yours and Rubina's. They were so upset whenever, Salman used to explain some things to you or kind of argue, something used to happen. They used to feel that there is a sort of partiality going on, but you were there inside the house facing it all. What did you feel about, Salman as a host?
I think he's a host. He's not a contestant. So
Yeah.
he would say things which will benefit you because inside the house you don't know how you are being perceived, how things are outside. So he gives you a little what do you call एक उसकी झलक दे देते हैं वो कि ऐसा है. So it was very important to get his feedback, and I'm very smart with honestly analyzing feedback. Lot of feedback came as panel, as judges, as guests who used to come to Big Boss house, and I was very smart to pick what really would have benefited me, and I would ignore the rest. So that's what intelligence is, common sense, not even intelligence, and that's what I did.
Okay, so just a few fan questions more and then we are good to go. So Nikita here asks, when you will meet Rakhi and her mother? And I think two more people have asked a similar question.
Yes, so basically my wishes are with her mother, and because she is going through this critical time and she's also a diabetic, I know about her, and because of all this pandemic, it's not advisable to like go and physically meet her. But yes,
Of course.
my wishes and my mom has gone through something very similar. My mom is a cancer survivor, so I can very well relate with what's going on with her mother. But I'm sure she's a fighter and she'll come out strong.
We hope the same, definitely. Okay, so Kanak Sharma here is requesting come live with Rahul Mahajan and Nikki.
I will actually. We were planning. We will come live for sure. It'll be a lot of fun.
Okay, I am sure. Chanchal Deep Singh here is asking what changes are you noticing before and after Big Boss?
Chanchal, so I've become a better problem solver. Of course, I've lost a lot of weight, and apart from that, I've become better in solving arguments when there is an argument between somebody or me. It's me with someone. I've become better at it. थोड़ी दुनियादारी आ गई है.
Definitely. Okay, so when are you? Okay, I asked the question. When are you getting married again? Everyone is so excited. Some people are saying, please send us the photos.
So we are planning क्या करना है. We'll definitely get back soon.
Okay. So, Abhinav, before we, wrap this up, I have this quick rapid fire to play with you,
Sure.
which is, of course, related to the Big Boss house. So,
Sure.
who did you find the most clever contestants inside the house?
Ali.
Okay. The most mastermind contestant?
Actually, mastermind. Me.